A final note. Let's wrap up our introduction to SQL with a quick recap and some final thoughts. In this module, we've explored why SQL is the backbone of databases, powering everything from mobile apps to cloud platforms. You have learned how SQL drives relational and cloud databases, its real-world applications, and why it outshines spreadsheets. Now, you're ready to dive into hands-on SQL skills. I often hear people say that artificial intelligence, especially tools like ChatGPT, will replace the need for SQL knowledge. Let me share my thoughts on that. Have you ever seen a job posting that requires 2 years of ChatGPT experience? I have not. Companies still want candidates who understand SQL and databases at a fundamental level. Artificial intelligence can be a useful tool, but it is not a substitute for real knowledge. Now, think about job interviews. Do you really think an interviewer will let you use your phone to ask ChatGPT how to write a query? Probably not. Companies expect you to have the skills and experience to handle database-related tasks on your own. Artificial intelligence can assist, but it cannot replace the foundational knowledge that professionals need to work effectively with data. Sending your data to an external AI tool, like Grok, for query assistance might seem convenient, but it comes with significant risks. You never truly know where your data ends up, how it is stored, or if it could be accessed by others. Even if the service claims to be secure, there is always the possibility of unintended data exposure, breaches, or usage beyond what you intended. As you move forward, trust in your ability to master SQL. With practice, you'll build databases, write queries, and tackle real-world challenges like a pro. That wraps up this introduction. In the next video, we will dive into creating databases, a crucial step in working with SQL. I look forward to seeing you there.